how to record Netflix without black screen. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here and then go into the Netflix website. So keep in mind that this tutorial is only available if you are using a browser. So as you can see right here, I'm already on the Netflix. Now, once we do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the top right corner of the screen, and then you will see this 3 dots. So I'm currently using Microsoft Edge as my browser. So if you are using a different browser, let's say for example, Chrome, Brave, or something like that, so my interface could be a little different into your browser. So just follow my step right here. So just look for the settings right here. So this is what it should look like. Now look for your settings in your browser. So once you're now on the settings, what we need to do on the search bar is to search for graphic right here. And then once you search for graphic, just look for graphics acceleration, or you can just type right here graphics acceleration right there. And then on this part, just look for the graphics acceleration. So in my case, this is where it is located. So as you can see, my graphics acceleration is turned on. Now what we want to do right here is to just turn this off. Now once you turn that off, just click the restart button right here. And then once you restart that, if you go back into your Netflix, and then if you try to screen record it, you should not be able to do that, and you won't now be able to have a black screen. So that is basically it. That is how to record Netflix without black screen on PC.